before handing over the keys to a brand new, 8th-generation Phantom, and shortly after rattling off nearly every positive-tinged adjective in the English language, Rolls-Royce Communication Director Richard Carter tells us that this car represents the best that humankind can do in terms of luxury automobiles. A heady claim, but as it turns out, one that is difficult to dispute. Perhaps the biggest single element that advances this new Phantom past the model it replaces is Rolls-Royce's new architecture of luxury, a ground-up space-frame platform that doesn't share its bones with any other product currently under the BMW umbrella. Not only is it 30% stiffer than the 7th-gen Phantom, the new architecture is flexible enough that it will form the basis for all future Rolls-Royce products. Project Cullinan and eventually the next Ghost, Wraith, Dawn will ride on this architecture, as well as future coach build projects, said Philip Cohn, Director of Engineering for Rolls-Royce.